we bend your knee again. Try to tuck in your core and just stay here. Enjoy the stretching. You can go lower, lower, lower. As much as you can. Just lower your hip and straighten. And tap your right toe. Yes, from here you can make a twist like this for enjoy the calm. 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly straighten your leg. One more time. Bend your knee. If from here you want to let little spicy, try to straighten jaw, leg behind. If you feel skin can stable, tuck in your tummy. Slowly inhale, raise your hand up. Look up, and back. Stay stable. If you feel too much, drop your knee down. Yes. And release. Just stay here for a few more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly sit back your heel and straighten your Now, very important part is slowly bring on your pillow. If you only have 1 or 2 pillow, you can flip over the pillow like this. If you have more pillow, then bring on the pillow. Put like this. Why? It will easier a lot for you to do the stretching, and you feel so much enjoying in this sport. Now, let's start. Bring the right foot in front, slowly, walk more, straighten, walk more, and straighten, just stay here. Wow, you feel nothing, right? Just stay here. If you feel, you can slowly release 1 pillow. Release 1 pillow. Yes. Wow, if you try to square your hip, if you still no problem, still can, just stay here. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, we support the left hand and release 1 more pillow. Yes. And still try to straighten, square your hip. Yes. You feel very deep stretching in this side, and slowly you can adjust your leg, your hand, your toe. And slowly you feel the time so slow. You can go more deeper. Release 1 more. Wow, we almost touch the floor. If you feel too much, stick it more behind between. Yes. Wow. Now you can feel it more deep stretching. From here, try to inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And touch the floor. And we are touched. And slowly fall forward. And slowly walk back. Yeah, we are touched the floor. Just keep following and try to practice every day. Within 1 month, you can full speed, very easy with Spinal and not so much pressure. Now we do an exercise. Same again with 4 Spinal, so much easier with the speed. Yes, let's do together one more time. Yes, knee down. Walk your feet more in front. Enjoy the stretching like we're playing on the bed. Yes. And slowly, with the support of the left hand, release the pillow. You go deeper. As that jaw stop. Do many assess. You feel your body stretching. You just do something, make the time more. Yes. Try to square your hip. And from here, you slowly move 1 more pillow. Release. Yes. From here, you feel more stretching already. You feel more stretching. When you feel more stretching here, just stay here. 1 more pillow release. Yes. 1 more pillow release. Then from here, 1 more pillow release already. And try to square your hip, tuck in your tummy. And the last pillow. Yes, beautiful. You are amazing. From here, just stay. And inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, low down, and we touch. We are touch the floor. Yes, beautiful. From here, just stay, look up the ceiling, and fall. Yes, we are touch the floor with full speed. Collaboration and keep this method will so easy to full speed with the few days practice with me. For sure, 1 more. Maybe if you drop it too much pressure, maybe take longer time like 1 month or 2-3 weeks. So with a few pillows in on your bedroom, you will make the posture easier. And now, slowly lie down on the mat. It's the amazing time. Yes, lie down on the mat. And straighten the foot. The hands shoulder level. Bring your knee, bend your knee, and bring your right foot over the left leg. And with the make a simple twist, bring your knee to the right side and hand turn to the left side. We make another twist, turn the body to the right side. 1 more time. If you feel too much, you can put like this also. Bring your knee to the right side. Try the shoulder sit on the mat. Yes. Slowly twist to the left. 1 more time. Twist to the right. And twist to the left. And now slowly breathe. You can close your eyes and bring your left leg over your right foot and slowly we might drop the knee to the right and head to the left and leg to the left, head to the right. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Knee to the right side, head to the left side. Head to the right side, knee to the left side. And if you feel too much pressure, you only can do change your leg a bit. Yes, modify. One more time. Head to the left. Leg to the left. And release. From here, we use your hand, hold your knee, and chin to the chest. Try to roll your body up and down to massage the back. And left to right, right to left. And during this practice, try to do it gently. And now we do the happy baby pose. Try to press down your knee on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release your hand, release your leg, and try to open the leg comfortably, and your hand beside your body, and close your eyes. Try to feel the stretching and feel the breathing. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in, exhale. And during all the practice, we try to take about 3 to 5 minutes in end of the practice to try to lie down on the mat and take a short breathing. Inhale, exhale. This on the with very short time rest, but you can recharge your power. This is very important during we practice yoga. Try to feel your breathing, absorb the breathing, and feel your body from head to toe, toe to head. Inhale, exhale, and slowly bring your two hands over the head. Enjoy the long stretching. Now slowly turn the body to the right side with the eyes still closed. With support of your hand, slowly pull your body up and sit up closer. Thank you to join my class today and hope you enjoy. Please remember to practice regular every day. And I see you in the next video. Any question, you can drop us the message or you can comment in the link below. Thank you for all the support and try, not try. Do it simply. Make 5 to 10 minutes if you feel you can have a more time. Try, not try.